Hi, welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to bring you a little update on Project 1011. This is a special order 38 outrage Boston whaler, which is very unique with the quad 400 V10 outboards on the back. It's the first boat to hit the market, probably the fastest whaler on the water. We're looking forward to seeing this boat here in Texas. As you can kind of see, we're going through the kind of prep on here. These are the beginning stages of what's going to be a one-of-a-kind awesome boat. Tape line here is eventually going to be custom painted. We've got some accent colors going on here. You kind of see the bow sunshade, the canvas going up, kind of just running through, making sure everything's to spec. We've got a lot of custom options going on the hardtop. So we're really excited about what we have going on here. So a couple weeks, this boat's going to look totally different than what you're seeing here. And what we'll do now, we'll kind of take a quick peek over into Kevin's Bay, master painter and fiberglass guy that we've got here at MarineMax. He's prepping some antennas for paint and some of our other options that we have going on the boat. All right, we're hanging out over at Kevin's shop. So these are some of the antennas that are going on top of the 38 outrage. So we've got a radar, pedestal for the FLIR, anchor light. You can see the FLIR kind of hanging out over here at spotlight. So all this stuff is going to get custom paint accents to really tie into the boat. So we've got some exciting things going on here. The boat's going to look amazing. It's not even going to look like the same boat which you just saw in the first part of this video. Thank you again for taking the time. We look forward to keeping you posted on our project.